Alright, let's discuss about what is Dasha and Antradasha in Vedic astrology. In Vedic astrology, at any point of time, two planets will be ruling your life. One is called as main planetary period, and second one is called as sub-planetary period. So in the Sanskrit terms, in the astrological terms, the main planetary period is considered as Dasha or Mahadasha. Okay, and whereas sub-planetary period is considered as Antradasha or Antardasha. Okay, so Dasha and Antradasha can be determined based upon the Vedic calculations. So we'll be doing certain kind of Vedic calculations on your birth chart to see which planetary periods are ruling for you. Either whether you are in the Jupiter planetary period, whether you are into the Mars planetary period. Each Mahadasha will be for longer period of time. Let's say if Saturn will be for 19 years, Rahu will be there for 20 years, Venus will be there for 20 years, Ketu will be there for 7 years, Venus and Mercury will be there for 17 years, and Mars will be for 9 years, Sun will be for 6 years. So depending upon the planetary period, planetary Mahadasha you are undergoing, this longer period of time that specific planet will be ruling for you. And next comes is the Antradasha planet. In the Mahadasha planet, there will be Antradasha planet. In the Jupiter planetary period example, there will be Sun Antradasha, there will be Venus Antradasha, there will be Rahu Antradasha, there will be Jupiter Antradasha, there will be Sun Antradasha. So we need to find out which Antradasha that you belongs to. So these Mahadasha analysis and Antradasha analysis is very important for a birth chart prediction, because if at all you are trying to understand how will be this planetary period of time. So first and foremost thing, we'll have to check who is the ruling planet, who is the Mahadasha planet, who is the Antradasha planet. Alright, so based upon that the results will vary. Whether you'll be undergoing the positive planet planetary period or a negative planetary period, which it will vary depending upon the placement of that planet and how strongly that planet is located. What are the aspects that planet is receiving? Whether the planet is placed in the positive sign, whether the planet is placed in the negative sign, whether the planet is placed in the neutral sign, all these things will be thoroughly checked based upon the placement of the planets, and also what are the aspects that planetary placement is receiving. Sometimes the planet will be exalted, sometimes the planet is debilitated as in like it is losing its energy. Sometimes the planet will be combusted. When it is combusted, it is considered as the planet has lost its energy. Generally, any planet get combusted if at all any planets comes very closer to Sun. Okay, let's say if at all you have Sun in the 12 degrees and whereas Mercury is there in the 14 degrees. Okay, and that means what happened? Sun is in the 12 degrees and Venus is Mercury is there in the 14 degrees. So the planet get combusted as the planet is coming very near to the Sun. Okay, it is called as planetary combustion. Alright. So all these things will be generally able to tell you if at all you book for the astrology consultation. Once you book for the astrology consultation, I can able to tell you which Mahadasha you are undergoing, which Antradasha you are undergoing. Based on that, the prediction will be vary. And this is able to done unless until I have your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. Based on that, we'll be providing you the analysis. So what exactly that we'll be providing in the horoscope consultation, please check the link mentioned in the description section. Once I get an order, I'll be able to help you with a complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. It is very important for you to understand which are the planets ruling right now. Based on that, you can able to perform the remedy and you can able to ease out the problems. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. This is just a short bite on the Dasha and Antradasha importance in Vedic astrology. These Antradasha and Mahadasha are very important to do the final prediction for your birth chart, and also depends upon the which planetary period that you are ruling. Alright, so if at all the positive planetary periods are ruling for you, the life will be really good. If at all negative planets are ruling, the life will be very challenging and lot of obstacles on the journey. Okay, so we can able to predict the events just by understanding the Mahadasha and Antradasha, which is very important and which will be revealed when you book for the astrology consultation. And please click the link that is mentioned in the description so that you know that what exactly will be offering in the Dasha and Antradasha analysis. That way you can able to understand the importance of astrology consultation. Just check it out what exactly I'm offering in the astrology consultation. You'll be amazed to see, and Dasha and Antradasha is just one part of my astrology consultation. There is still 90% of the things which will be known when you book for the astrology consultation. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. And if at all you are watching this video for the first time, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell icon next to subscribe button so that you'll be notified on the future videos. Alright, so thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned.